Good. Exhaust come out. Loud.
Loud air.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. If you guys remember last year, we had our cheap jet ski challenge. And this year, we're running it back.
This is just one of the parts.
We got skis here, we got skis there. We're about to go up to the lake. We'll show you guys the skis when we get up there. We'll go through them, we'll ride them around, we'll do some challenges. Testing them out today, and then Manuel is gonna try to get in, and then we have a couple other people who are gonna join us later down the road. But today is test day number 1 with these things.
And maybe we're thinking about doing something where we get as many people as we can with vintage jet skis.
Yeah, if you guys would want to do a vintage jet ski meet, drop a comment down below. We're up here in upstate New York, so let us know.
We're thinking about filling the bay with old vintage jet skis.
Fill the
we all
whole,
can look
fill
at
the
each
lake.
other's and see what's, maybe do a full-on
Jet ski
50
meet.
jet ski challenge, like 50 jet skis at once.
That's what I'm saying. That'd be pretty crazy.
We'll see.
But we are going to load up everything now. We're going to head up to the lake, get these things in the water, and we'll go through them when we get there. So we will see you guys up in the water. But he's absolutely crushing it with the angle right now.
Open the hood, you gotta pull up super close.
Judas.
I'm actually kind of impressed this is taking this much.
Oh! Oh!
They don't call me the professional for nothing.
What do they call you professional of? Putting it in.
Right.
Putting it in.
The price right.
Dude, what are you doing, bro?
Back. Cut it.
This guy's doing donies on his jet ski. What are you doing, pal? Good, good.
Good.
Oh, yeah. Dude, this thing looks pretty decent.
You want? No. Actually, you can go get my truck.
Fire her up, pal.
See how low it
Your shoe's floating away? Your shoe's floating away. Shoe is floating away. Oh, there she goes.
Just grab it.
Oh! Set number 2 going in. Man, I want to undo the strap, pal. Man, they gotta fix that lip. All right, let me go help get these off real quick. I'll check in with you guys in a second.
John's got the old wave radiator coming in.
Getting her all dialed up, boy. Cheap jet ski challenge. We got the XP, we got the Wave Raider, we got Nolan's VX Cruiser, and then we got the SPX in the trailer for right now. And then we do have a couple more that are gonna join us when we get like the full challenge going. Hey, what do we got going on here?
What's wrong with him? Dude, I didn't know. I thought they were reflective.
What are you trying to be, Tony?
They're not reflective.
Listen, I know what you're trying to do.
He's trying to be Tony Stark. What are you doing?
I thought they were reflective. I thought they were reflective.
Dude, you look like you're on the job. You look like you're wearing some.
You look like mobile from Trailer Park.
That's enough. I didn't know they were
On a real pair?
No, I didn't really think.
Dude, that's funny. That's funny stuff.
Why, these don't look good?
No, they look. You look like you're trying to be like Tony Stark or something.
It's not even.
Oh, Tony Stark?
Dude, way better. Oh my god. What was that? Was that Basic Workplace?
Tony Stark? As you guys can tell, we've had the cheap jet ski challenge rolling here. We actually got the Wave Raider here. It's actually it's kind of a sleeper. You're going to see some footage of it later on here. As you guys know, with the SPX, we did a water box delete. That thing is loud. We kind of want to do a water box delete on this because, I mean, as you guys have probably seen, an 1100 triple. So yeah, this thing's kind of nasty. We had it on the water once. It's fast. It's actually probably the fastest out of all the jet skis. I want to do water box delete on this thing. What we're gonna do is take some of the plastics off here, and we're gonna see what it's gonna take. It's gonna take a few elbows, this and that. But once we do that, we will hear probably 1100 straight piped. If you guys haven't heard one, you'll definitely hear it here. So as you guys can see here, we have the water box out. We have the other one still in there, but what we're gonna do is come out here, tee off, and actually we're gonna do something custom here. This is the fire extinguisher exit, but as you guys can see, we're going to actually have the exhaust come out here. Obviously it's not gonna be like that, but it'll be something like that. Maybe it'll be flush cut here. I don't know yet. I haven't seen anybody else do this online, but we will definitely give you an update when we get there. So me and Johnny got this rigged up here, as you can tell, coming right out of there. 90 out, right out the bunghole here. That is ridiculous.
Sharpening the blades, it's pretty good for the environment.
It is.
Have to put that back.
Dude.
I love it.
This guy just came up to Nolan and asked him to race after he
The old guy's like, line him up, buddy.
I dusted him. Dude, that thing is too loud.
Too much.
It's
Look
too
at
much.
that old guy coming. He's 85.
Dude, this guy's an absolute G. So a little context for you guys. So we pulled up here, and then there is this an older guy. He's from Florida. You can somehow scroll across these videos. Shout out to you, man. But he's from Florida. He said he's got, I don't know, umpteen speeding tickets or whatever down there for riding jet ski, and he's up here right now. And he's got this Yamaha, what is it? It's gotta be a 4-stroke, right?
Yeah, supercharged something.
Yeah, supercharged something. The thing moves, but he was like talking up, and now he just went out and raced Nolan. He was got it. It was pretty funny.
He's chasing him down. See, it's not bad over here.
Yeah, and cross the entire lake.
So who won?
I got 65 out of it.
That's moving, dude.
Dude, that thing's on.
He's running at about 62.
Wow.
My gauge said 65, but it could be off.
Wow.
You had me.
We gotta go back to the drawing board.
Ah, you just dropped a big black Chevy in there.
There we go. Big block Chevy is LS swap it.
I'm okay if you want to swap that.
Dude, it's
I'm like looking over there in the bay, hoping they don't come out, and I'm like, ugh.
dude, it's loud. It's so loud. It's rude. Dude, it is unbelievable. Dude, like you literally have to wear ear protection right now on a jet
Have
ski.
to wear ear
Dude,
protection.
it's unreal.
That you hit 62 like wicked.
I was clocking you at 6. Was that like
Oh, but you could have kept going.
3/4 throttle? Oh, no, I had 3,000 RPM. No, stock, this will do 73 to 75. On this one, it'll do about 75.
Wow. That's insane.
It's squirrely. It does skip. It's not like a. Yeah, you gotta like anticipate your turns ahead of time.
Dude,
or else
it's
you're like,
unreal.
you're gonna freak out.
Whoa. Oh my God.
It's unreal.
Oh my God, we're gonna get the cops called on us. Dude, it's unbelievable. Like these people want to come
But
check
you
it out. What the
have
hell
to
it is.
like.
These people want to come check out what it is. It's just unreal.
You gotta send it. I don't know. We can revert it back pretty quick. In 20 minutes, it could be back to closer to
Stockish.
stock.
Dude, like he's across the entire lake and you can hear him.
Unreal.
What do you think, Johnny?
Wow, man.
Loud. I thought you lost your
Fast and
hat.
it's squirrely. If you're off kilter at all, it'll throw you.
No kidding.
is like, it's like a submarine. You cut it, and no matter how much power you're giving it, it just cuts up and out of the water.
Dude,
it dies. It's so fun.
My ear right now is ringing from being next to that
behind me too on that roll.
Like, oh my god, dude, unbelievable.
Yeah.
And that thing doesn't make a wake at all.
No, it's a flat roller for sure. I mean, I want to hit a big wake with it.
Looks pretty good out here.
Yeah, looks good.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think this is a credible contender in the Cheap Jet Ski Challenge?
We'll find out.
So close, and you just pepper. I'm like, I'm gaining on him. Like, I got this. And then I passed you, but then that's when we hit the bumps.
Dude, when we started to hit the bumps, I got absolutely drenched. I could not see a damn thing. I was like, dude, I'm going underwater right now.
That thing was hopping right out of the water.
Unreal. It's because you got to sit forward.
You sit so far back on that.
I was sitting up on the freaking top.
No, I was getting back so I could get more aerodynamics.
Dude, unbelievable.
Honestly, so to say the least, that's got me way out of the hole.
Oh yeah,
way out of the
off.
hole. But then top end, I was catching it.
Yeah. Well, you do have some more CCs, so.
Another cylinder.
And a whole nother silly.
So, Brett's gonna be giving it a try here in comparison, and then we'll talk. We'll go out once we run it a little bit. We'll try it.
It is fast though. This thing goes like a freaking spaceship.
Compared to this.
I like that. I like to feel that better. That hull is way more fun.
Yeah.
This one's just built for speed. That one's built for like mooning around.
For sure.
All right, so we've come to the conclusion. What have we come to the conclusion to? It's too loud. It's too damn loud. So we are going to put one of the water boxes back in right now on the water, and then we will go from there. Hopefully it quiets it down a lot.
Blowhole no more.
Oof. Gee.
It's cool for
It's
11
cool.
seconds.
It's cool for the time we just had it on the water, but now we need to switch it back. So with some YouTube magic, let's switch it back and then we'll check in with you. And just like that, it's complete.
It's still gonna be slightly loud.
It's still gonna be really loud.
It partially fills with water.
Because it's still
And it exits with high RPM.
Yes.
So
To deaden the sound a little bit. If you look inside the back end of mine, you'll see a beer keg in there for noise deadening.
I wanted to take the one out of
I feel like a beer keg riding these things.
Yeah, well, I'm fucking stupid enough. I don't need to add beer to it.
part number.
Can you show them the part number on that?
Part number Yamaha. Part number loud.
Loud AF.
Yeah. Loud AF.
Wow. Dude, I didn't have those headphones on for a little bit, and I literally had to stop and put them on. No.
This is not going to This is bad evidence. Come on, you jabroni.
First time? All right, here we go. Oh.
Probably won't ever run right over.
Oh, perfect. Dude, that's so much better. Die? Just die in the water. Go get him, Johnny. The rescue crew, back at it.
Dead in the water.
Go get him, Johnny. Oof. Boys, we taking on water? Oh yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
It didn't come on hook, did it? It could have.
Yeah. Smoke. Talk about smoke on the water.
Took it all apart, put it back together, but one of the plastic press fit fittings came undone. So it was just flooding itself out.
And
Choking itself. No.
Well, the exhaust is going in the engine bay.
And I do want to pick it up here and hopefully drain some of the water out.
Yeah.
That engine bay did look.
She's definitely got some water in her. Try number 2. Wow, that is so much better. Still loud, but it's a lot better than it was. See, now you can't hear it from across the entire lake.
My turn? My turn? My turn?
My turn. 2JZ engine, no shit.
So now knowing
Almost like
this,
red,
I think
white,
it
and
sounds
purple.
just where it needs to be.
I would agree. That's what we were saying over here.
Just raspy enough, you know, it's a triple.
Good tight. Go, Johnny, go! Oh, Johnny! Dude, that's so much better.
It's bearable now.
What is this clown doing? I think that it's bearable now. I think that I don't think that we'll get the cops called on us now.
It's incognito.
Yeah, a little bit more. Right now we're sitting here and it's on the other side of the lake and we can't hear it. Whereas before it was on the other side of the lake and we could hear it. Clear as day. So
It was fun while it lasted.
that one, I would say that's how it's gonna be for the challenge. I was trying to get some bunny hops going. You can't bunny hop on that damn thing.
You think? Yeah. She's a runner. It's nice. I think there's a lot more torque to it. It doesn't over rev either. It was over revving before. This is nice. This is right where you want it to be. It's a hair loud while you're riding it. Just a hair with no.
I still don't think I would wear it.
We're not doing nothing with it. This is perfect.
Dude, all the old dogs are coming out to play today.
We gotta do a meet here.
Dude, we have
A
to.
jet ski meet?
That'd be pretty sick.
Line the
Dude,
bay.
line the whole bay.
Would be so sick.
Bro, that looks
Like we said before at the beginning of the video, if that's something you guys would be interested in, getting like a little meetup going to all your old jet skis, let us know. We'll try to set something up. We'll get something going. And I think it'd be cool. So let us know down below in the comment section.